If filing your tax return is baffling as it is for me, then I've got some good news for you. I'm sitting here with the director of Namtax today, Imub, and he is going to show me how quick and easy it is to get my tax return sorted quickly, painlessly, and correctly. That's the main part that we want to focus on here, via Namtax. Apparently it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's see. Imub,
Okay.
how do we go about this?
Right. Well, first of all, obviously you have to get to the website, namtax.com. And then right on the start page, there's a big Start Now button, which you just click. If you're new with us, then you have to create your account. And here you are in the dashboard or the My Account page. All your tax returns in the future will just lie here, one after the other.
Right.
So for this year, we'll just start by creating a tax return. Again, there's a very big button. And then there's the first screen of the wizard is a little intro movie where we explain how it works. And if you get stuck in any of the questions, you can email us at the support@namtax.com. Again, a couple of terms and conditions in small print. And if you agree to those, you can continue. And then we get started. So here we are already in the wizard. It asks us for any reference. We'll just say this is now Betty's return 2015. And we continue. The nice thing about this is that you can do your tax return for yourself, or you can do it for anybody else as well. Important to remember that you need your pay-as-you-earn file form before you can do this. You can start, but if you don't have the form, you obviously cannot continue because everything is based on the form. So you choose your tax year, in this case it's 2015 for today. And now we get started with the details of the return. On each of the questions as well, there's a little question mark. If you're unsure of what the question is about and what to answer, you can simply hit the question mark. And then if there's additional information that we already have provided, it's going to be there. Alternatively, you can simply click this link and it sends an email to our support desk. If there's a specific question that you are not too familiar with what to answer, we can know exactly which question it is you were at, and we can provide a detailed answer. And when you do your next tax return next year, all of this standard information is pre-filled already. So you just change what is changed. So when you get to the actual part where it asks about your pension and deductions and all that, we ask all of that that's really relevant. So for example, the section about children will ask how many children do you have. If you say you've got 4, then we ask about the 4 children, the names and the dates and all that. And then all the deductions, the provident funds and the retirement funds and all that. So we take you through the whole tax return step by step, and we explain every step of the way. And we also then build any logic that is needed into the tax return. So for example, if there's a limit on 40,000 that you can claim on certain deductions, we limit you at the 40,000 and we'll explain. This is why we're limiting you, because the receiver of revenue says this is what's required, this is the max, this is the minimum, and so on. At the same time though, we guide you towards getting the maximum benefit of all the deductions that you can have. The government really wants the taxpayer to have certain benefits of the tax structure. So we guide you through all of that. When you're done, you simply go to My Account and you just buy the tax return. You can pay either by credit card, by the PayFast gateway, or by bank deposit. Email us the proof of payment and we'll release a tax return for you. On your My Account page, you can then simply, there's going to be a little PDF icon, you can download it there.
I honestly didn't think it would be as foolproof as it is. Remember to get your tax return done via namtax.com. The deadline is the 30th of June.